Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com. So today we're going to show you guys out there how to adjust the chain on the Blazer 9. This is the Blazer 9 125 from Apollo. I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step. Again, you want to loosen the carrier on the ATV, and this is the rear axle, you guys. You can see we have Tyson here today. He's part of the new team over here, part of the team. So he's doing the PDI on this particular one. So we decided to do a how to adjust your chain, you guys. So when you're at home, you receive these. This is going to be the steps you're going to do. So again, we have, of course, you may have two wheels, both the other wheel on as well. But we're going to leave, we left this one off here so we can actually show you guys the chain area as well as the carrier over here. So we're going to loosen these over here, which we did already for the video purposes again. So the top one, we use this type of ratchet, you guys. So you're going to have a 14 on the bottom here, and then you're going to use a 13 here as well. So you're going to loosen these nuts and bolts over here. It's going to loosen the carrier, and then you have a ring over here, you guys, and you see these notches you have over here. So you could use, typically if you have a good heavy-duty spanner, you can turn this up or down. When you hit it down, it actually loosens the chain, and when you hit it up, it actually tightens it. Now, you have to have the carrier loosened, so make sure these are loose, as you can see. You can move them with your fingers, your hand, and then now you can adjust it. Now, if you don't have a spanner at home, you guys, then you can use a screwdriver and a hammer. Now, I have a mallet here, or if you just have a regular home hammer, that is fine as well. And I'm going to show you guys how this moves. I got Tyson here who's going to hold the camera. Okay, and you see this little silver ring right here, you guys. So what you do is you get a large screwdriver, like such, or some other object similar to that, and you see these little notches on it. You're going to hammer it, and you can see the actual ring move. The silver ring right here will be moving. Bring the camera a little bit closer here on my right side over here, so they can see this. You see this, you guys, right here, these little notches. So as I hit it here, you can see it move slightly, and this will tighten it. Now as you hit it down, as you see it move here, and then it loosens it. Now we have this ATV on the lift. If you guys have a jack at home, it's always good to put it up on the jack, you guys. It's much easier to service and adjust your chain when it's lifted on the jack. So again, we left this wheel off here. We're in the process of doing PDI. We have to adjust this chain, so we thought we'd do this video for you guys. So again, you guys, you're going to put a 14 on the bottom here, and then you put the 13 and you loosen these here, loosening up the carrier. And then once that's all loosened, so you see we got this, you guys. And then once it's loosened, now you're ready to move this ring over here as I shown you here just a moment ago. And you're good to go. And you adjust your chain, then retighten everything here, retighten this. Once you retighten this, it does tighten the ring, you guys. So that is the way you're going to adjust your chain on the Apollo Blazer 9 and other models that are similar to this. So I hope you guys are well. Scooter ATV Sales on Instagram, as well as if you need some parts, you can find parts at ScooterATVParts.com. If you need some Tao parts, it's Tao, ScooterATVParts.com. Hope you guys are well and have a great day. See you soon. Take care.